Hello traders, we are watching Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today Jan 30th Monday market. After 10:40 am we have received a sell signal, so red color. It's a simple buy sell signal generating chart. All can easily understand this chart. It's a simple chart. You will receive calls in live market like entry point, target 1 and 2, stop loss, 2 target, 1 stop loss. Okay, every day just opening the chart, watch the call, place the order in your broker account. It's a simple process. In this chart you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also. This chart will help you for intraday trading. Okay, today Monday market we have received a sell call after 10:40. Today opening momentum was bullish momentum, but that momentum changed after 10 o'clock. So downside breakout, sell call generated. Sell at 40,484. That is our entry point. First target is 383. That first target range is breakout within 3 minutes of the sell call generated. It's a good bearish momentum, good downfall. In next 3 minutes, continuous bearish momentum. During that time, market move all the way 200 point downside. Like this, today sell call performed in live market. Bank Nifty weekly 40,000 put option chart. It's a out of the money put option chart, but still it is trading in 400 range. We have received a buy call at 475 and market move all the way up to the 550. But during the time of first target, it moved traded at 520, 530. It is like 50 to 60 point momentum. It's a good momentum according to the future chart. If you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the subscription detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.